What if I told you that there's a platform that rewards you for learning? Well, that's exactly what Lern360 are doing, and their pre-sale is now live. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but let's dive in to this video. So this is Lern360, and these guys are basically innovating and pioneering a Web3 platform that rewards users for learning, and they reward you with tokens. The platform will include AI personalized courses, on-chain credentials, and DAO governance. And this is a platform in terms of credibility that is audited by Certik, as you can see here. They've got already over 21,000 people backing them, and they've been featured in prominent PR outlets such as Holy Coins and many other reputable sites. When it comes to their minimum viable product, or a first look at the product they're going to be launching, it's almost 80% complete, as you can see here. And buying the token will actually get you a lifetime stake in a fast-growing global trillion-dollar education market. This is a platform that has already been tested with university pilots, and it's backed by doxed builders. And as you can see here, it says it will be AI-powered for personalized learning, and because it's crypto, it will be decentralized with knowledge sharing. And the way they're setting this platform out is they're gamifying the whole thing, allowing people to learn a lot easier without all of the normal boring things associated with learning. This, in my opinion, is a great idea because I believe the educational market is absolutely outdated, and a few people have taken advantage of this and made ridiculous dents in the market share. So I think doing this with crypto and rewarding people for learning is actually a really decent idea. Now, all of this is powered at the center by the Lern token. With the Lern token, you can stake it and get governance with their DAO system. The token will be used in the platform, so that is going to be something where the demand will increase as the platform scales. And if you are someone that purchases the pre-sale, you get exclusive access to premium AI-driven courses, mentorship, and specialized learning resources. As well as that, token holders may receive a share of platform-generated revenue from course enrollments and partnerships. Now, the tokenomics for this are pretty straightforward. We can see 20% for the public sale, 10 for the private sale, 10 for seed round, 10 for treasury, 10 for marketing and liquidity, and 25% for ecosystem growth. I think this is a great structure for something like an educational platform because you have a big amount through liquidity and the public sale going in a decentralized way to the community, but you leave enough for the creators and the users to be rewarded with the rest of the funds. We can also see here that all of the private investors do have vesting periods, which I think is great and will allow the token to take root and scale before this vesting ends. In short, guys, this is basically the Coursera or Udemy, but on the blockchain. And the Lern360 token right now has a fully diluted valuation of around 20 million, which I believe is super undervalued when you consider the ridiculous size of the education market and the fact that it's going to Web 2 at the moment and soon to be on Web 3. So these guys are basically ready for that massive wave onto Web 3 and allowing people to learn and actually get educated, but also earn in the process. This is going to open the door for accessible, affordable education, tokenized ownership, and it's also built for impact rather than hype, because this is a utility that actually matters and solves a problem. So if you did want to get involved, it's super easy to do so, guys. All you got to do is press the join pre-sale button like I've just done. And as you can see right here, we can connect our wallets. And then if we scroll down here, what we can do is actually see the price and see that the price is actually going to go up in the next phase. So that's a good sign because it means we're actually going to get an increase in ROI before token generation event even happens. And then we can pay with crypto or card. And with the cryptos, we can actually choose BNB, USDT, or USDC. And then we can type in how much we want to buy with. For example, if we bought with 10 BNB, we would actually get just under 300,000 of the Lern token. After that, we can buy now or we can buy and stake. And if you buy and stake, you can see here that it's actually a 33% APY, I think is fantastic. If you do choose to stake, there's a staking platform dashboard here in which, yes, you can see the rewards, the vesting claimable, and the staked amount. But overall, this is a great project that's solving a real problem. There's utility, and the token is basically at the center of it, which I love to see. If these guys can scale as much as they say they will, this is going to be something that absolutely explodes. If they do get even a small percentage of the market share, we are talking about hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. None of this is financial advice, of course, do your own research, but if you did want to get involved, the link will be in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.